Yes, good evening, students. We already have started the chapter unit 3 separation of components of mixture. Okay, so we was discussing about the methods of separation of mixture. Already we discussed about the winnowing, hand picking, sieving, sublimation, and filtration. Now we are going to discuss about the evaporation. Okay, so evaporation is the method when a liquid changes into gases. So evaporation is the process in which the liquid changes into the gaseous state on the gentle heating, and this heating is below the boiling point. Okay, so this process of evaporation is employed to remove the soluble solids from their solution in water. When the solid which is soluble in water and make a solution, it dissolve, it's complete, it's a homogeneous mixture, you can understand. So like the common salt, we take a 1 glass of water and put 2 tablespoons of common salt in it, we stir it, then it is a mix properly. Okay, because it is a homogeneous, it is a soluble mixture and homogeneous mixture. So this method is used, evaporation method is used to separate the common salt from the water. Here the method of this method is shown here, you can see. So we take a sand bath. Okay, and here the burner is, then we heat the salt dissolve in water, we heat, then the water will evaporate. Okay, when we heat it, the water will evaporate and left behind the common salt. So this kind of method is called the evaporation method. Okay, this method is used to separate the solid from the liquid which is soluble in the liquid. Okay, then next process is the distillation. So distillation is the process of separation of liquid from a soluble salt solution by the evaporation of liquid and recondensation of its vapor in the another vessel. Now here we are in the process of distillation, we separate the liquid from the soluble solution. Here we were separating the solid, here we are separating the liquid. Okay, again the recondensation take place, it changes when we heat it, it changes into the vapors, and recondensation take place and we collect it in the another vessel. This process is useful in obtaining the pure water from the water containing dissolved impurities. If the water is impure, then we can use this method, and this method is shown here, you can see it in the diagram, it is shown. Here is the diagram. Here the process of distillation is shown. So this kind of apparatus we use, this is a round bottom flask. So we put the mixture of water and alcohol in it. So when we heat it, then what happen? So mixture of water and alcohol can also be separated by this method, because the temperature, the boiling point of the alcohol is very low as compared to the water. So when we heat, the alcohol change into the vapors. Okay, then through the condenser it collected into this conical flasks. Here the recondensation take place. So condensation is the process in which the vapor change into the liquid state, and then it change into the liquid state. Okay, so they both separate from each other. Okay, like that we can separate the impurities. If we put impure water in this round bottom flask, we heat it, then what will happen? After heating, the water will convert into the vapors, and through this condenser it will collect into the conical flask. Okay, and the condensation process, the water vapors cool down and convert into the liquid. So by this process we also can we can separate the pure water from the impurity, water containing impurities. Okay, this kind of method is called the distillation process. Okay, so another method is the sublimation. So sublimation is the process in which So the sublimation is the process in which method the mixture when a mixture consists of two or more solids such that one of the solids sublimes on heating. So here, just student, just clearly you have to be think about it. Here is the mixture of solid and liquid. Here is the mixture of two liquids, and in the case of the sublimation there is the mixture of two solids. Okay, so this method is used when the mixture consists of two or more solids such that one of the solids sublime on heating. So one of the solid will sublime on heating. Okay, then sublime means it will melt on heating. This process is used to separate mixture of ammonium chloride and the common salt. When we mix there is a mixture of ammonium chloride and common salt. Okay, so the ammonium chloride, we take a china dish and just a minute. Okay, we take a china dish and mix the material, heat the material. Then what will happen due to this process of the sublimation take place? Okay, let me show you. The process of sublimation is shown, also shown in your book. So here is the process of sublimation. Okay, so what we'll do over here, we take a ammonium mixture of ammonium chloride and salt in this china dish and we heat it. Here is the conical flask, inverted funnel placed on it, and cotton wool, plug it out. Okay, so then ammonium, when we heat, the ammonium chloride fumes are seen over here. Okay, then these fumes are ammonium chloride. They are gradually settle on the side of the funnel. They will stick on the side of the funnel, and we will collect it as a and make it to the powder, and the salt will be left behind. So it means that this kind of process is called the sublimation process. Okay,